So what's just as good as some spaghetti is some good old cheesy beefaroni that we're going to bake right in the oven. And it's going to be topped with that cheese and it's going to be so delicious. Let's get cooking. So first things first, let's go ahead and prep the water. We're going to go ahead and add some oil so the noodles won't stick. And you got to season the noodles. So we're going to add some salt to give it some flavor. And then we're going to go ahead and dice up this onion. We're going to add this onion to our beef mixture. Make sure you don't take the end piece off because that's going to help you cut it better. And then, just float your knife through and through and you're going to get some nice squeeze. Now, just as fast as you can count to 1, 2, 3, that water is boiling. Now, we're going to go ahead and use these spiral noodles today. Y'all know we always got to be the rebels in the kitchen. Can't never just do the normal stuff, right? But these are fun and perfect for this dish. And here comes the beef. Let's go ahead and prep it. I got a little bit of oil in the pan to go ahead and get these onions sauteed up. So who else get excited when you first put those onions in the pan because you know it's about to lead up to something good and delicious. Now, I was excited when I seen that price tag in the store, $4.35 for some ground beef. Oh yeah, we're going to go ahead and take that right on up to the register. And that's what prompted us to go ahead and make this dish tonight. This the satisfying part and the stress relieving part. When you can actually mix those onions and the beef together. That's right. Go ahead and take your frustration and just chop it and just bang it against the pan. It's going to all blend together. Now, you don't want this beefaroni greasy because we still got to add that cheese in it. And once you put it in the oven, it'll be a greasy mess. So make sure you drain the meat off first. We're going to go ahead and start to season the beef. Y'all know we love our oyster sauce. It is a big burst of flavor in the bottle. It's so good and flavorful. If you have never tried hamburger seasoning, it's really good. Not just for hamburgers, but when we make our like Salisbury steaks and gravy, it gives that gravy a whole different taste and flavor. Holy smokes. And we got some pork and meat rub. We're going to go ahead and give a few shakes of that in the pan. And then we can't forget about our regular onion powder and some garlic powder. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and make it a little spicy with some jalapeno powder. Mix those seasonings up good with those onions inside that meat. And it's going to look just like this. So creamy and delicious. And then once you add that sauce, ooh, you can't stop it now. And I'm not even going to lie. As I added that sauce, I was like, ooh, this reminds me of some good old homemade sloppy joes. Don't y'all hate that when you in the midst of making one thing and then start thinking about the next thing you going to make? Girl, man. You ain't even finished making this dish yet. How you on to the next thing? But hey, that's how cooking go, right? Nothing has changed. Y'all know when we add sauce, you got to season everything. Hit it with a little garlic powder first. Just a little tad of salt. And then I got this little steakhouse seasoning right here. Just to add a little extra something. If you don't have like a beef bouillon or something like that. The sauce is done and the noodles are done. We're going to go ahead and mix everything together like they never left each other. Y'all know. Just think about it like those times when you snuggled up with your partner underneath the blanket or just wrapped up and you get so comfortable and you like, do I really have to move? Yeah, we're going to do the same thing with those noodles wrapped up in that sauce. And then once that cheese hits it and get it in the oven, whew, we just getting started, y'all. Don't go nowhere. First, go in with a nice healthy layer of the meat noodle sauce. We're going to go ahead and get it ready to lay that cheese on top. We're going to use some sharp cheddar to give it that flavor and that mozzarella to give it that stringy look once you start to pull it apart. Here comes the fun part, the best part, the main part. We're going to go ahead and add the cheese right on top. And we're going to layer them just like you would your favorite lasagna or any other cheesy, good, delicious dish. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we don't like a dry pasta once you bake it. So we're going to go in with a little extra sauce as Daddy requests because he loves sauce. That's the sauce king. So we're going to go ahead and keep this train rolling. That's right, y'all. Go ahead and roll with us, subscribe with us, and go ahead and hit that like button, that thumbs up button right there in front of y'all. Help us help you, okay?